Hey, it's Chris Kirkpatrick, and welcome back to the Life 180 channel. And for this video, I want to talk to you about the Section 199A tax deduction loophole. It's not even a loophole, I guess it's a new section of the code. But if you're an entrepreneur, you're going to want to pay attention to this video because I'm going to go through kind of some of the details, and I'm going to give you access to information on where you're going to be able to find the calculator that will tell you based on your corporate structure, based on your income, how much of a deduction you can actually take advantage of. But you need to make sure that as you go through the process that you have your business structured properly, that your income is set up properly, and you're going to want to take this information that I give you, bring it to your accountant, and make sure that you implement it properly to get the tax deductions that you actually deserve and you've earned, or at least that you could take advantage of. Right now, Trump has put some things into place in the past year or so that allow you to do this, so I want to make sure that everybody's aware of it. Coming into the 2021 tax season, with everything that's going on with COVID, with everything that's going on with this pandemic, I want to make sure that everybody, on top of all the other, government programs that are out there to support entrepreneurs, that you are aware that this is also an option for you before it gets to the end of the year and before you're having to scramble to get your documentation and corporate organization, if there's any kind of restructure that you need, to make sure that it is in place before it's too late. First of all, you're going to need one of two things. You're going to need at least taxable income of $100,000, or you're going to need earned business income of $100,000. If you have either of those things, you could possibly qualify for up to a 20% tax deduction. Now, it gets a little convoluted. It's not so clean. There are rules in place, additional rules in place to make sure that you have to qualify. Corporate structure, once again, I said talk to your accountant. But if you are married, filed jointly, I think it's $315,000 of household earned income or business income to qualify for that. If you go above that number, that threshold, you can still qualify, but it's at a reduced rate. So you're going to have to take that into consideration. If you are filing single, if you are non-married or you are filing single, then I believe it's $157,500. You can double check that, talk with your accountant. But that is the threshold. And once again, anything above and beyond that, you'll still qualify for a deduction. It just won't be at the 20% rate. There is a great calculator out there that I think every single person as an entrepreneur should go out. They should check it out. And I will put the link in the description below. Or if you want to, you can actually just go to Google and type in 199A calculator and it will come up. It is a great calculator. It's a great tool. I would take this information, I would bring it to your accountant, and I'm a big fan of this because with everything that's going on with COVID, with everything with the pandemic, with everything that's going on in the world, and even without that, I believe as an entrepreneur, you are the people who are driving this country forward. You are the people who are helping families take care of their families, helping individuals take care of their families, paying their salaries, making sure they have job stability, giving them opportunity. And this Section 199A is an opportunity for you to potentially increase salaries or keep them on, or maybe not let people go because of these deductions that you'll be able to get into place. It's going to allow you to keep more money in your pocket. It's a big, big deal. I'm actually going to go, I want to go to one of the things here. I want to open the calculator up, see if I can find it. Here you go. I'm going to pull up the calculator here. And if you see, I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit, see if I can do this here. All right. So you can see here, this is the calculator. So you can see the calculator. It shows you if you're single, married, jointly. Now, this is the one part that makes it confusing, is specified service business. If you are a specified service business and you hit yes, that is basically like a doctor or a lawyer or some other types of service businesses. This is where you're going to want to talk to your accountant. Then one of the things that you're going to want to do is like make sure that you specify in here that you are, because you can see here if you have taxable income of 200, you can see here that that the qualified business income is 160,000. If you're a service business, you only get a $1,400 deduction. But if you're not a service business, you get a $6,800 deduction. So if you run manufacturing, if you run any kind of other business pretty much outside of a service-based business, you're going to qualify for a lot more money. If you file married in here, you can see that the amount goes through the roof. And so what I would suggest that you do is you go through here, you take a look at this calculator. I'm going to put the link below for you to check it out, because it's absolutely a tool that I think every single person in the entrepreneur space, if you own your own business, you need to be doing this, and you need to make sure that you're taking advantage of this section of the IRS code to be able to make sure now more than ever that you're protected, that you are keeping the money that's yours. That way you can either be more stable yourself, or you can help keep your employees more stable. So I hope that helps. If you found value in that, please hit the like button, hit the subscription button. I got a lot more videos like this coming out. We're all about serving the entrepreneur. So if you have any questions, any other content that you're interested in, feel free to comment below. I try to engage with every single comment of every video that I put out. I hope you have a blessed, inspirational day. We'll talk to you in the next video.